Hi, welcome. Myself Gautam. I'll give you a quick walkthrough of my application, that is customer satisfaction prediction app. It predicts the customer satisfaction rating for retail industry. This is basically for a single user. If you want to know for bulk user how you can predict the customer satisfaction rating for a bulk database, I have another application. The link is given below this video. You can go through that. This interface is developed in Streamlit. This app can be customized for any industry like healthcare, hospitality, BFSI, education, then automotive, automobile, manufacturing. For healthcare, if you want to know the customer satisfaction rating from your customer base, you can use this application. This can be customized. This app is basically for retail industry, considering 13 main KPIs of retail industry. I have developed this. You can see the KPIs from here: product quality, e-commerce, technical support, complaint resolution, advertising, product line, sales force, competitive pricing, warranty claims, packaging, order billing, price flexibility, and delivery speed. You can see here your selected input parameter is given here, 5, 5, 7, 7, 3, 3, 7, 7. So you can change this parameter. This is nothing but the KPIs. Think that your customer have given a rating for product quality, say 3.05. It may be decimal value or it may be round figure. So you can change this. This is nothing but the rating you have received from the customers. So you can change this value respectively. It is running, and respectively you will get the values. Prediction of this customer satisfaction rating is 4.827. That means for this rating, the customer satisfaction rating prediction is this. So this is the accuracy of the model. If you want to see the graph, you can select which graph you want. Let's take line graph. So for which value you want to see product quality, you can click here, show graph, it will reflect. Then if you want to know about this app, you can click here. This is about the app. If you want to connect with me, you can click here and connect with me for any customization and feedback. Thank you.